Oh, so eto, bagong-bago ang Fast Talk.
Fast talk,
Ayun.
wow.
Paano ba ang
Let's go.
Fast Talk?
Fast talk, syempre, mabilisan lang tong
Oo,
sagot.
mabilisan.
Pero nakasentro pa rin tayo sa craft mo, sa music.
Alright.
Yes.
Yan.
Okay, start na tayo. First
Yes,
question.
G. First question. Name the song that describes your emotions right now.
Rockstar.
Wow.
Name the song that you enjoy that's in a different language. 5, 4.
Born This Way, Bad Hop.
Name the song that you like the cover better than the original.
Oh, exciting to ah.
Never Seen Diamonds in the Flesh, Casey Tandingan. What's that song?
Royals.
Yeah, Royals.
Royals. Oh, name the song. Ito, maraming may gustong malaman to. Name the song that reminds you of a crush you once had.
Cool.
Ay, naku,
Crush
naku, mag-ingat ka.
Crush by... Who's this?
The American Idol one?
Yeah.
David Archuleta?
David Archuleta, yeah.
Oh, name the song that makes you feel a rockstar.
Enter the Sandman, Metallica.
Oh, interesting.
At ang t-shirt niya, Metallica. Oh, it says, it speaks.
Yes, definitely. Kinabahan ka ba doon?
Nah, it's really easy.
Ito may part 2.
Ano ba?
May part 2 tayo.
First love, char.
First love.